All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change out your cabin air filter. Now, I'll be doing this on a 2022 Honda Pilot. It should be really similar if you have any of the other Honda Pilots, or even a Honda CR-V, or maybe even any other car, because it's pretty much the same in any car, other than it's going to take a different filter. But if you have this 2022 Honda Pilot, I will put one of these down in the description, just in case you're looking for one of them. And if I find even a different brand, maybe I'll throw that down there also. But this should be very easy. You're going to go on the passenger side of your car, and it's going to be in your glove box. It's pretty much like that on almost every car out there, unless you got some fancy car like a Lamborghini or something. But if you're watching me and you have a Lamborghini on how to change out your cabin air filter, I would just recommend paying somebody. But so here's the glove box. And then you gotta take out whatever your wife has in here. I don't know what she has in here. Yeah, she's got something to make sure her breath smells good. Some gloves to keep her patties warm. Registration, manual. Take all this stuff out. Well, you probably don't have to take it all out, but I'm going to take it all out. You might be able to leave something in there. All right, now we're going to push in on the right and the left side. Just push them in. And this will pop down. Look at that. Wow. Easy. Then you're going to have a little compartment right back here. Right in there is your cabin air filter. And there's an arrow. Airflow goes that way, pointing down. Okay. It does say on the side of your air filter, airflow, pointing down. So that's just to show you. So airflow down, airflow down. So that's the way I'm going to put it in. So it's pretty simple. You just take it out. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I can't. You got to push this button in, and I got to push that button in. Just push it in like this. Just push them in to the right and to the left. All right, so I'm going to push this one into the right, this one into the left, and that should pop off. Yeah, there we go. Holy mother. Look at how dirty that sucker is. As the wife says, it's starting to smell funny in her car. That could be why. So we're going to take that out. Take this out. Pop it out. Ooh, pop it out maybe outside the car. I got tree stuff flying out. Throw that on the ground. Make sure all the junk's out of it. All right, open my new one up. And remember I said airflow down, airflow down. We'll just drop it in there. Push that in there. Oh, make sure you get it in there. Just like that. I had to push this in a little. Now just take your new one and slide it back in. Like that. Clip, clip. Bang. Wow. Shut your glove box. Put all of your wife or whoever's stuff back in there. So she's happy. Got to keep the wife happy. Put the gloves in there. Since it's the middle of summer right now, don't want to get cold. Keep your breath smelling good. All right. All right, well, that's all there is to it with changing your cabin air filter in a 2022 Honda Pilot. I hope I saved you like $100 or $200. I have no clue. Let me know what you guys would have paid for this if you had to take it to the dealership to get it. Now, you can also go to the dealership and get that filter if you want. It doesn't matter to me. I do make a tiny itty bitty commission if you click on one of my links down in my description. It really helps me out, helps support my channel. But if you don't want to do that, you could also just hit that subscribe button. That also helps support my channel. Or just hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. I love reading all them comments. I try to reply to every single one of them if I can. God bless and have a great day.